Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Langlead Guides Multiple Choice Question Series. We are here today to discuss some important MCQs on the topic talking in their sleep. But before starting, we are very close to 3K, so consider sharing these videos with your friends and smacking that subscribe button if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's go on to the MCQs. Question number 1. What is the lifespan of American poet Edith Matilda Thompson? Options are A. 1854 to 1925, B. 1851 to 1925, C. 1854 to 1924, or D. 1851 to 1926. Correct option is A. 1854 to 1925. Question number 2. Who described Edith Thompson as one of the most distinguished poets of America? Options are A. The New York Times, B. New York Post, C. The Washington Post, or D. USA Today. Correct option is A. The New York Times. Question number 3. Who compared Edith Thompson's works with Shakespearean sonnets? Options are A. Bliss Carman, B. Charles G. D. Roberts, C. P.K. Page, or D. Margaret Atwood. The correct option is B. Charles G. D. Roberts. Question number 4. Out of 10 poetry collections, Thomas Edison's first collection of poetry was dash dash. Options are A. Lyrics and Sonnets, B. New Year's Masque and Other Poems, C. A Winter Solo, or D. Selected Poems. Correct option is B. New Year's Masque and Other Poems. Question number 5. Edith Thompson was educated at school in Geneva, Ohio and attended dash dash college. Options are A. William Smith, B. Lakeland Community, C. Lake Erie, or D. Oberlin. Correct option is D. Oberlin. Question number 6. When was the poem Talking in Their Sleep published? Options are A. in 1884, B. in 1885, C. in 1886, or D. in 1887. Correct option is B. in 1885. Question number 7. What season is the poem set in? Options are A. Winter, B. Spring, C. Summer, or D. Monsoon. Correct option is A. Winter. Question number 8. What is the structure of the poem Talking in Their Sleep? Options are A. 30 lines and 3 stanzas, B. 40 lines and 4 stanzas, C. 25 lines and 5 stanzas, or D. 30 lines and 5 stanzas. Correct option is A. 30 lines and 3 stanzas. Question number 9. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem Talking in Their Sleep? Options are option A. AA, BC, CB, DE, ED. Option B. AA, BB, CC, DD, EE. Option C. AB, AB, CD, CD, EF. Or option D. AB, BA, AB, BA, CD. Correct option is option A. AA, BC, CB, DE, ED. Question number 10. How many speakers do you notice in the poem Talking in Their Sleep? Options are A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, or D. 4. Correct option is C. 3. Question number 11. The poet has chosen to tell this poem from the point of view of dash dash. Options are A. The apple tree, B. The flower, C. The grass, or D. The apple tree, the grass and the flower. Correct option is D. The apple tree, the grass and the flower. Question number 12. Which meaning of the poem trunk is intended in the poem? Options are A. Elephant's trunk, B. Main part of stem, C. Luggage trunk, or D. Large container. Correct option is B. Main part of stem. Question number 13. Where does the apple tree is alive? Options are A. in the stem, B. in the trunk and shoot, C. in the leaves, or D. in the fruits. Correct option is B. in the trunk and shoot. Question number 14. What is grown on the apple tree? Options are A. Green mosses, B. White mosses, C. Grey mosses, or D. Red mosses. Correct option is C. Grey mosses. Question number 15. When will the buds of the apple tree bloom? Options are A. Next May, B. Next April, C. Next December, or D. Next January. Correct option is A. Next May. Question number 16. Why does the apple tree pity the grass? Options are A. Because it is taller than grass, B. Because grass is covered with snow, C. Because it is invisible, or D. Because the blades of the grass have died. Correct option is D. Because the blades of the grass have died. Question number 17. On the surface, all seems to be dead, but dash dash waits to burst forth. Options are A. Life, B. Tree, C. Birds, or D. Rain. Correct option is A. Life. Question number 18. Whom does the apple tree pity? Options are A. Green grass, B. Withered grass, C. Shining glass, or D. Glossy glass. Correct option is B. Withered grass. Question number 19. Whom does the grass pity? Options are A. The apple tree, B. The flower, C. The sky, or D. The snow. Correct option is B. The flower. Question number 20. Where does the flower hide in the winter? Options are A. In the bud, B. In plumy seed, C. In leaf, or D. In trunk. Correct option is B. In plumy seed. Question number 22. How are the apple tree, the grass, and the flower alike? Options are A. All are covered with grey mosses, B. All of them hide seeds, C. All of them drop their branches, or D. All of them appear to be dead but are alive. Correct option is D. All of them appear to be dead but are alive. Question number 23. What does the poem Talking in Their Sleep describes? Options are A. Plants' life survival, B. Animals' life survival, C. Human survival, or D. Changing seasons. Correct option is A. Plants' life survival. Question number 24. What poetic device is used in the title of the poem Talking in Their Sleep? Options are A. Personification, B. Metaphor, C. Simile, or D. Hyperbole. Correct option is A. Personification. Question number 25. Identify the poetic devices in the line Snow's thick blanket. Options are A. Simile, B. Metaphor, C. Irony, or D. Personification. Correct option is B. Metaphor. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.